years of hosting Exchange. What can we expect this year and what would be different?
Yeah, thank you, Jenny. 31, it shows that we've had 30 already. So it's an event that's proved its longevity, its value that it adds to our industrial community. And this year, for the first time, it will be hosted in the beautiful city of Cape Town. We've got a jam-packed agenda. We've got wonderful keynote speakers. We want to help you drive your business needs. And particularly in 2025, where there's been a significant advent in data, in AI as an example, we will cover all the most important topics for you to be able to make your business successful.